I start with the name of Allah who is most gracious and the most merciful. Myself is Mashahid and I'm from BS Chemistry Department. Today I am here to present the topic of chemistry, like determine the angle of rotation of an optical active compound. We start the every topic, we see the contents. So let's start the topic. Here we have the contents like optical activity, theory of optical activity, introduction, planned polarized light, polarimeter, instrumentation, and last one, application. Optical activity. A compound is able to rotate the plane of polarization of polarized light. It is said to be optically active. It has been found that magnitude of rotation depend upon the following factors: nature of light, length of liquid column through which light passes, concentration of solution, nature of solvent, temperature of solution, and last one, wavelength of light. The rotatory power of a given solution generally expressed as specific rotation. In chemistry, specific rotation is a property of chiral chemical compound. It is defined as the change in rotation of monochromatic plane polarized light per unit distance concentration product as the light passes through sample of a compound in solution. It is a number of degree of rotation of a plane polarized light produced 1 gram of solution per ml. The measurement is carried out at temperature using sodium light, specific rotation, wavelength, concentration in gram over 100 ml, temperature, optical rotation, optical path light in dm. Here the formula of specific rotation, and next I am going toward next slide. Optical activity regular. Unpolarized light vibrates in all directions. Polarized light, light composed of waves that vibrate in only a single plane. It is obtained by passing unpolarized light through a polarized filter. Optical activity when plane polarized light passes through a solution containing a single chiral compound. Compound which rotate the plane of polarization of a beam of polarized light clockwise are said to be dextrorotatory, correspond to positive specific rotation value, D positive convention. Compound which rotation of plane of polarization of plane polarized light counterclockwise are said to be levorotatory, correspond to negative value, L negative convention. Introduction. Optical activity polarimetry is a laboratory technique that measures the interaction between a compound that plane polarized light. Polarimetry is one of the important instrumental methods employed in analysis. This measures the rotation of polarized light as it passes through an optically active compound. This technique involves the measurement of change in the direction of vibration of polarized light when interact with an optically active compound. Plane polarized light. According to the wave theory of light, an ordinary ray light is considered to be a vibrating in all planes at right angles to the direction of propagation. If this ordinary ray of light is passed through a nickel prism, the emergent ray has its vibration only in one plane. The light having wave motion in only one plane is known as plane polarized light. Randomly orientated light then passes through the polarized filter and straightforward plane polarized light. Polarimeter. Optically active is measured by an instrument polarimeter. It consists of following parts like sodium vapor lamp, polarizer, prism, material, and analyzer. Here the diagram of plane polarizer or polarimeter. Applications: quantitative applications and qualitative applications. Quantitative applications. If the specific rotation of sample is known, its concentration in solution can be estimated. Qualitative applications. Optical activity is only parameter available for distinguish between dextrorotatory and levorotatory isometric forms. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.